Hello traders, in this video I want to speak about BTCUSD and I will make a top-down analysis on this pair starting from the monthly time frame down to the weekly time frame and then to the daily time frame. So if we start to make this analysis from the monthly time frame here, we can clearly see how BTC has broken its first previous high and retested it. All we can see here is that here was previously the all-time high in Bitcoin price and it got broken to the upside, as we can see. After the breakout, price retested that same level, as we can see here, and after the retest, price has been printing more bullish price action away from that level. And also we can see how we had a clear breakout around the $75,000 psychological level, and since then price has been rallying strongly bullish. Okay, so another thing we can notice here is how the market has been, if we connect the bottom lines of this trend like this, we can clearly see how the market has been moving in a channel form. Okay, and also there is no resistance that we see again, so market might likely continue to trade more bullish since we had a recent all-time high. So this is the monthly time frame on BTC. Price is bullish. Now let's quickly check the weekly time frame. Here from the weekly time frame, it is clear how the price has managed to break out of the $100K level. We see how this area here has been previously serving as a resistance level in which this move to the downside was created, and after some consolidation for some weeks around that level, we finally see price make a new high. So the weekly time frame is also seeing bullish. We are also bullish in weekly time frame. So let's check the daily. Here from the daily time frame, things become more interesting. We see clearly that after the break of this level here, the $110 level, market has been consolidating around this level here. We've been seeing some form of consolidation, and that form of consolidation is showing momentum exhaustion. So as price is consolidating around this level, we are likely going to see a correction first to this previous resistance, which will now turn support before price can then start to go bullish again. All right, so we are likely going to see a pullback to the $110K level before price continue its bullish momentum. So in order to capitalize on this possible correction, we've already looked at our daily time frame, our trading time frame here, and we see that market is indeed losing momentum. We see a high here and we are seeing a lower highs. So as we are seeing a lower highs, we are likely going to see a possible lower low from the intraday time frame. So we are likely going to see a lower low. Prices are breaking structures, so we are going to see more of the bearish move from the intraday time frame, which will lead to a correction of the daily market impulse before the bull trend continues. So after price tests the $110K level, that is when we will now start to see more of the buys or more of the long-term buys. So that's the analysis on BTCUSD.